let your spirit grow. Jah roots, they run so wide. Jah roots, they never hide. Feel the dove, let it take control. Jah roots, they heal the soul. Twist and turn, the fire of the rhythm will forever burn. The river of life winds and bends. Jah's love flows, it never ends. Echoes bounce, shadows twist and turn. The fire of the rhythm will forever burn. The river of life, it winds and bends. Jah's love flows, it never ends. Echoes bounce, shadows twist and turn. The fire of the rhythm will forever burn. The river of life, it winds and bends. Jah's love flows, it never ends.
Lion of Zion, Psalms of the Lion keep on rising. Na 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 na, chanted higher. Roar of truth, blaze with fire. From the hills of
Shadows crawling up the wall, whispers rise and then they fall. A clock that ticks but has no face. Oh. Footsteps where no one treads, eyes that watch from empty beds. Oh. The spirit of dread, it's under my skin. A hollow laugh, a chilling grin. The spirit of dread, it won't let me go. It lives in the silence, it thrives in the cold. A mirror cracks, but I don't stare. There's something moving in the air. A heartbeat that's not my own. The wind it calls, it knows my name. The dark is playing a wicked game. Oh, the spirit of dread, it's under my skin. A hollow laugh, a chilling grin. The spirit of dread, it won't let me go. It lives in the silence, it thrives in the cold. A mirror cracks, but I don't stare. There's something moving in the air. A heartbeat that's not my own. The wind it calls, it knows my name. The dark is playing a wicked game. Oh, the spirit of dread, it's under my skin. A hollow laugh, a chilling grin. The spirit of dread, it won't let me go. It lives in the silence, it thrives in the cold.
Strong in a Jaja name we belong. Na 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 na, chant it higher. Roots strong, burn with fire. Foundation firm and true, guide I steps in all I do. Storm may come and winds may blow, but the tree of life still strong we know. Planted deep in Zion land, roots of love forever stand. Roots strong in Jah name, never bend into the shame. Stand tall in the flame, roots strong forever the same. Roots strong in Jah name, Na 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 na, shower over all. Blessings rain from Jah. Oh Jah, guiding I soul near and far. Morning light I rise and pray. Give thanks to Jah for another day. Raindrops fall, washing I soul. Blessings of Jah make I whole. Through the struggle, through the pain, Jah send sunshine after rain. Every trial, His blessing rain on forever blessed. Blessing rain from Jah above, flowing down with endless love. Wash my heart, cleanse my mind. Peace and light in Jah I find. Hear the thunder, the cloud roll by. Jah Jah blessing fall from the sky. Like the river to the sea, Jah abundance set I free. No drought, no hunger, no fear inside. Blessing rain keep we alive. Roots grow strong where His waters flow. Jah Jah love forever show. Blessing rain from Jah above, flowing down with endless love. Wash my heart, cleanse my mind. Peace and light in Jah I find. Who bring the rain of mercy? Jah bring the mercy. Who fill the cup so plenty? Jah fill it plenty. Showers fall, refresh the land. Blessings in Jah Jah hand. Oh, when the night is dark and cold, blessing rain, story told. Jah renew my weary soul. Fill my spirit, make I whole. Every drop is a song of praise. Every storm shows brighter days. From the mountain to the plain, Jah Jah blessings fall like rain. Blessing rain from Jah above, flowing down with endless love. Wash my heart, cleanse my mind. Peace and light in Jah I find. Blessings rain forever flow. Seeds of life begin to grow. Give I strength, keep I strong. Blessings rain the whole life long. Na 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 na, blessings rain, rain down down. Jah Jah love will always rain down. Showers fall, spirit rise. Blessing rain from Jah eternal sky. One loving at the tempo. Na 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 na, chant it higher. Peace and unity, Jah Jah melody. far, under the moon and the morning star. Lift your voice, let the spirit rise. Temple of love shining in our eyes. No division, no hate, no war. Jaja love open every door. Hear the drum beat, feel the flame. One love calling, we all the same. One love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble one love, forever tremble. One love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble one love, forever tremble. Children laughing, the elders sing. Voices rising to freedom. In the temple we stand so strong. Unity carry the world along. No Babylon chain can hold we down. Jaja love is the highest sound. In the temple where we belong. One love live on eternal song. One love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble one love, forever tremble. One love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble one love, forever tremble. Who bring the fire of unity? Jaja bring unity. Who set the captives free? Jaja set we free. Love is the key. Open every door. One love forevermore. When the night is cold and the road feels long, Jaja temple keep us strong. Every prayer is a guiding light. One love burn through the darkest night. Step inside, feel the holy flame. Temple of Zion, call your name. Every nation, every tongue. One love temple, we all are one. One love in the temple. Jah light shining, simple hearts together. We assemble one love, forever tremble. One love in the temple. Spirit strong and gentle, chanting loud, let the world see one love. Bring unity. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Jaja guide me. Na na one love in the temple. Forever shine. Jaja guide we. Unity strong. Hearts as one. One love in the temple. Oh.
Shadows play, drums of the earth start to sway. Roots run deep where the ancients pray. Jaws whisper as the ocean spray. Sacred double jar, feel it near, feel it far. Sacred double jar, guides us where the healers are. The dark moon where shadows play, drums of the earth start to sway. Roots run deep where the ancients pray. Jaws whisper as the ocean spray. Sacred double jar, feel it near, feel it far. Sacred double jar, guides us where the healers are. Like the healers are. The stars above sing to right. Every beat a heartbeat, every tone a flame, calling out Jah's name. Sacred double Jah, feel it near, feel it far. Sacred double Jah, guides us where the healers are. Bassline rolls like a thundercloud, echoes speak, they cry out loud. Truth in the sound, Jah's holy vow. Feel the dove, feel it now. Thundercloud, echoes speak, they cry out loud. Truth in the sound, Jah's holy vow. Feel the dove, feel it now.
Oh, Jah guide me on the Zion road. Drums calling from the ancient land, freedom's fire burning in my hand. Every step is a prayer I send, every mile is a truth I defend. Through the struggle and the heavy load I keep chanting on the Zion road. Zion road, oh, carry me higher. Zion road, Zion road, set my soul on fire. Fire, chanting song. From the mountainside, spirits dancing where the rivers glide. Ancient wisdom flowing deep and strong. Roots of Zion keep me moving on. Babylon tried to change my mind, but Jah light is what I will find. In the darkness His truth is shown. Still I walk on the Zion road. Zion road, oh, carry me higher, higher, higher. Zion road, set my soul on fire, fire burn, chanting song. Jah love unfold, walking free on the Zion road. Oh, sing the chant of freedom, freedom, freedom. Oh, sing the chant of love now, love now, love now. Fire burn, burn away the pain, burn away the pain. Together we rise, never fall again. Yeah. Night time falls and the stars shine clear. I revives everywhere I hear. Lions roar, echoes in the hills. Jah Jah blessing my spirit fills. Step by step the journey flows. From the valley to the heights it goes. Every chant is a seed we sowed, growing strong on the Zion road. Oh, carry me higher, higher, higher. Zion road, set my soul on fire, fire, chanting song. Jah love unfold, walking free Jaja, guide we, protect we. Call upon the Most High. Oh. Clear. When the burden heavy, me feel the fear. Still me lift my eyes to the sky above. Just shower me with endless love. Call upon the Most High. Him hear me when me cry. In the morning, noon and night. Just guide me steps in the light. Call upon the Most High. My soul will never die. Every child will survive. Just keep the fire alive. Oh, Babylon plan to chain me down, but Yahweh the only crown. My spirit strong, me can't be so. Jah wisdom brighter than gold. I call upon the Most High. Him answer from the sky. Every valley, every fire. Jah turn darkness into light. Ooh, yeah. Oh. Through storm, through flood, through flame, still me call Jah holy name. Enemies laugh, but them can't win. Jah break the chain of sin. Jah most high, carry my soul, me can't deny. Lion of Judah, me strength, me song. In a Jah me belong. Call upon the Most High. Hey, lift me spirit high. Call upon the Most High. Him hear me when me cry. No matter what them try, Babylon can't deny. Call upon the Most High. Forever Jah supply. Spoke in chance, Selassie I live. Jah fire burn, Jah kingdom come. Every youth way lost in our street, Jah blessing still them meet. Every tear me cry, Jah, Jah. Every fall Jah lift me high. Call upon the Most High. Him never say goodbye. From the sunrise till the night, Jah keep the
ancient drums. Mystic winds whisper where I'm from. The moonlight dances on the ocean's face, a riddle wrapped in a velvet lace. Mystic Jaja, lead me slow through the fire, through the glow. Mystic Jaja, guide my way. Night turns gold when you light the day. Echoes of truth in the lion's roar. Footsteps fall on a forgotten shore. Stars paint maps in the endless skies. The rhythm lives where the heartbeat lies. I hear it calling, I hear it still. A voice that bends the iron will. Mystic Jah, your breath's on me. In every beat I lose my fear. Mystic Jah, lead me slow through the fire, through the glow. Mystic Jah, guide my way. Night turns gold when you light the day. Echoes of truth in the lion's roar. Footsteps fall on a forgotten shore. Stars paint maps in the endless skies. The rhythm lives where the heartbeat lies. I hear it calling, I hear it still. A voice that bends the iron will. Mystic Jah, your breath's on me. In every beat I lose my fear. Mystic Jah, lead me slow through the fire, through the glow. Mystic Jah, guide my way. Night turns gold when you light the day.
Smoke still lingers in the air tonight. A ghost of warmth that lost the fight. Cinders whisper but they don't burn. They tell a story but they never turn. Fire can't sleep in ash no more. It used to rage, now it's a chore. No spark, no roar, no breath to take. Fire can't dream when it's wide awake. I see the scars where flames once danced. A fleeting moment, no second chance. The ground is cold, but it's stained with heat. A paradox that feels incomplete. And the embers sigh, but they won't reply to the night's empty cry. We've got no heat, we've lost our way. Chasing shadows that won't ignite. Fire needs the dark to find its
turn. Na 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 na, chant it higher. Fire of Zion, eternal fire. I see the morning rise above the hill. Sacred flame, the whole earth feels. Light of Jah shining pure and strong. Guides the righteous as we move along. No chain can hold this holy fire. No wall can block Jah true desire. From the mountain, the spirit flows. Burning bright as the fire glows. Fire, fire of Mount Zion. Blazing light till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah's eye. Fire, fire of Mount Zion. Blazing light till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah's eye. Hear the drum, they beat so loud. Chanting proud. From the roots the people sing. Mount Zion fire conquers everything. Through the trial, through the pain, Zion flame will still remain. Babylon fall with lies they bring, but Zion fire is the eternal king. Fire, fire of Mount Zion. Blazing light till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah's eye. Fire, fire of Mount Zion. Blazing light till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah's eye. Burn, burn away the chains. Burn away the chains. Burn, burn away the lies. Burn away the lies. Oh Zion fire, keep us strong. Keep us strong. Keep us strong. Together we chant forever long. When the darkness covers all the land, Zion fire is in our hand, guiding children through the storm, keeping every spirit warm. Lion roar from the holy ground, thunder echoes with a mighty sound. In the fire we find our way. Mount Zion flame will never fade. Fire, fire of Mount Zion. Burning bright, yes the flame lives on. Chanting loud, let the whole world know. Zion fire forever glow. Fire, fire of Mount Zion. Blazing light till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah's eye. No, no, no. Fire burn. Zion flame.
confide. Jah depth, where the world takes a breath. Jah depth, feel the pull, feel the heft. Roots grow down where the soil can't see. Truth's buried low like a sunken key. A drum beat calls from the heart of stone. Echoes of life where you're never alone. Breathe it in, let it flow. Feel the rhythm, let it show. Jah depth, where the world takes a breath. Jah depth, feel the pull, feel the heft. Clouds drift high, but the roots stay tight. Stars fall low, but they shine all night. What you see ain't the full design. The depth of Jah is a steady line. Jah depth, the roots stay tight. Stars fall low, but they shine all night. What you see ain't the full design. The depth of Jah is a steady line. Jah depth, where the world takes a breath. Where the world takes a breath. Jah depth, feel the pull, feel the heft. Feel the heft, feel the heft, feel the heft. Roots in the earth grow deep, deep wide. Under the sun where the shadows slide. Rivers of gold that twist and collide. Dove of Jah light, it shines so bright through the haze of the night. Dove of Jah light, hold me tight. Clouds they dance in the rhythm sky. When the whispers low, then rises high. Footsteps echo where spirits lie. Feel the drum, it talks, it calls. Breaking chains and shaking walls. Dove of Jah light, it shines so bright through the haze of the night. Dove of Jah light, hold me tight. Echoes bounce in the valley of sound. Hearts beat steady as the bass pounds. Fingers trace the path we found. Dove of Jah light, it shines so bright through the haze of the night. Dove of Jah light, hold me tight. Echoes bounce in the valley of sound. Hearts beat steady as the bass pounds. Fingers trace the path we found.
Oh Jah, kingdom come. Na na na, thy will be done. From Zion hills, the trumpet sound. Jah light shine all around. trumpets play, Jah kingdom come, a brighter day. Through the struggle, through the fight, Jah love bring holy light. No more sorrow, no more pain, in Jah kingdom peace shall reign. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know, Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Children sing with voices strong, chanting praises all day long. From the valley to mountain high, Jah kingdom shining in the sky. Babylon walls will tumble down, Jah love rise and wear the crown. Every tongue and every race find redemption in Jah grace. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know, Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know, Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Who bring justice for the poor? Jah open door. Who bring freedom for the slave? Jah strong to save. Who bring peace where there was none? Jah kingdom come. Night will fade, the dawn will rise, new creation before our eyes. Lion roar from Zion's hill, Jah kingdom come, His holy will. Every nation bow and sing, glory, glory to the King. Love and mercy overflow, Jah kingdom come, let the whole world know. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know, Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Jah kingdom come, oh shining bright, fill the world with holy light. Never ending, forever strong. Jah kingdom come, eternal song. Na na na. Jah kingdom come, forever shine, forever run, forever one. Thy will be done. Jah reign above. Jah kingdom come, one heart, one love.
Sunrise whispers on the ocean floor. Waves keep secrets they've seen before. The wind hums low, a quiet roar. Roots run deep, oh, they never lie. Feel the rhythm, it's the earth's reply. Jah horizon, where the sky meets the sea. Jah horizon, where the soul runs free. Lift your eyes, let the colors be. Jah horizon, calling you and me. Clouds paint stories drifting slow. Mountains bow where the rivers flow. A fire burns where the spirits glow. Feel the drumbeat, it's the pulse of life. Every heartstring like a sharpened knife. Jah horizon, where the sky meets the sea. Jah horizon, where the soul runs free. Clouds paint stories, drifting slow. Mountains bow where the rivers flow. A fire burns where the spirits glow. Feel the drum beat, it's the pulse of life. Every heartstring like a sharpened knife. Jah horizon, where the sky meets the sea. Jah horizon, where the soul runs free. Lift your eyes, let the colors be. Jah horizon, calling you and me.
Sunrise whispers through the trees. The ocean hums its melody. Roots run deep where the earth is free. Jah's echo comes, it's calling me. Echo of Jah, can you feel it now? Through the hills, through the crowd. Echo of Jah, steady and proud. Lifting the low, breaking the cloud. The wind tells stories from long ago. Seeds of wisdom, they start to grow. Rhythm of life, a gentle flow. Jah's voice moves where the rivers go. Oh, can you hear it? Oh, can you feel it? Echo of Jah, can you feel it now? Through the hills, through the crowd. Echo of Jah, steady and proud. Lifting the low, breaking the cloud. In the still of night, in the blazing sun. Every heart beats to the Holy One. Through the trumpets roll, through the singers cry. Jah's echo lives, it will never die. In the still of night, in the blazing sun. Every heart beats to the Holy One. Through the trumpets roll, through the singers cry. Jah's echo lives, it will never die. Roots grow deep in the belly of the land. Every grain of sand feels the rhythm, feels the plan. The sun
palm trees sway, hear the drum line echo, guiding the way. Jah roots, they run so wide. Jah roots, they never hide. Feel the dog, let it take control. Jah roots, they heal the soul. Smoke curls high like whispers in the air. Truth rides the wind, no time for despair. The earth hums low, a melody so wise. Green fields dance under cosmic skies. Close your eyes, let the bass line flow. Feel the rhythm, let your spirit grow.